Hi everyone, it's Leigh here. Thanks so much for tuning in for a flip through of the accordion journal that I made for Junk Journal July. I'm so happy that you've joined me throughout the month and to see what I created. And also, I hope you're interested in a chance to win the completed journal. So, before I do the actual flip through, I'll just tell you what to do to be in the draw. So on this particular video now, you need to leave a comment and put the word enter into your comment so that I know that you want to be entered into this draw to win this lovely journal. There'll be another 4 draws they'll be randomly done. So what I'm going to do is use a number generator and a comment generator to find a day and a comment and that person will win another smaller, like either some ephemera or a flip folder or something like that. What will happen is I'll use a number generator to predict 4 numbers between 1 and 31. Then I'll go to the day of that number. So if number 1 comes out, I'll go to the video. And then I'll load that video address into a comment selector, and then that will randomly pick somebody who's made a comment on that video, and they'll win one of the other prizes. Now you can put as many comments on as you like. Increase your chances of having your comment selected by having more comments in there. Okay, so you also can win this and one of the other prizes as well. So go through, if you haven't already done it, drop some comments onto the other videos. So there's 31 of them, there's 1 for each day. And I'm going to leave it I was going to leave it for a week, but I'm going to leave it for 10 days. So up until the 10th of August, you can actually leave a comment that will be taken into account. Alrighty, I think I've explained that reasonably well. Leave me a comment, another comment, if you don't understand anything that I just said. So put a comment on this video, today's video, and use the word enter. You must put the word enter in it. If you don't, well, I'll take it as you don't want to be entered into the draw. So unless you put the word enter in, you won't go in the draw. Okay, so that's for this one. Alright, so that's for this one, and then for the rest of the month there'll be 4 other prizes randomly drawn, and it'll be a smaller, either a folder or some ephemera or something. I haven't worked it out yet. I've got some things I'm starting to collect together, but it's going to have to be something that will fit into like a DL envelope. The cost of postage is just way too high for me to be able to send anything too bulky. Alright, let's go for the flip through. So my cover, it's an accordion book, so it's just basically one long piece folded up. When you get to the end, you've got the back cover, and then it goes on like that. So I made this book out of scrap pieces of paper all joined together. I do have a video to show you how I made that, and there's a link for that up in the top right hand corner. It's just basically paper, and I've stuck a piece of corrugated cardboard on there. You can probably just see it. Sorry, I've got a bit of sunshine on my desk today. That's a piece of vellum, and there's some other bits and pieces stuck underneath. Okay, so opening it up, I've got the little prompt list there, and that was day 1, which is good vibes. So that was pop of colour day 2. Day 3 was negative space. And day 4 was tickets and tags. So I had a whole heap of tickets that was stuck to a piece of cardstock, and I cut tags out of them. So my tags are made from tickets. Day 5 was fold out. Day 6 is layers on layers. Day 7 was framed. Brown paper was day 8. Balance is day 9, and I'm not sure if anyone picked up on this. We've got 9 dots there. So this is a double page for day 10, stripped back. So very simple. Day 11 was paper samples. Day 12 is gratitude. Details is day 13. Torn was the prompt for day 14. Tucked away is day 15. And then we're at the back of the book. So now we're at days 16 to 31. So double spread for day 16, which was maximalism. Day 17 was pause. Another double spread for day 18, so favourite supply, which for me is my fussy cut flowers. Now, this one is day 19 and it is interactive. So I've made 2 little interactive fold outs here. So I've got this one with all my die cut flowers that I didn't end up using stuck on the pages, and then there's a journaling spot here as well. So that's 19. Day 20 was letter to myself. So I have a typewritten letter in there. Day 21 is contrast. Day 22 is pockets. Day 23 is overlap. Day 24 is very vintage. I had fun with this one, so it's photograph. That is a gel print in the background there, and I have these craft alphabet tiles, so I just haphazardly stuck the word photograph on there. And that was actually day 25. I need to change that. Day 26 is cozy. Day 27 is postcard. So I used a postcard of puppies in a basket and cut out some sections of it and placed other papers behind, like windows, stitched around it. Day 28 is upcycled, and that is a paper bag from the pie shop that's been made into a double pocket. Day 29 was playlist. So I went back and looked at my own channel and my playlists that are on there and used the prompts from the Marguerite Miller challenge for day 29 to make this particular page. This one I really love. So day 30, in the garden. Love anything to do with the garden and flowers and butterflies, etc. And day 31 was nostalgia. And then we're back to the beginning of the book again. Okay, so that's it. I'll just go over what you need to do to enter again. So for this, to win this particular book, you need to comment on this video and you need to include the word enter in your comment. If you put it at the beginning of your comment, just enter and then put something else, you know. afterwards, or even if you just want to put the word enter, it's just going to make it easier for me when I come to selecting a winner. And then for the other days, the other videos from day 1 to day 31, I'm just going to randomly select a comment or commenter from the day that the number generator picks. So I'll use the random comment selector as well to pick somebody, and they will win a minor prize. So that's about all you need to do, and I'll give you till the 10th of August. I'll draw this on the 11th and let everybody know. So I'm not going to put up a video between then and now, or if I do, it'll be a short, because I'm just wanting to have a little bit of a break. I'm really need to rest my eyes from doing all the editing that I was doing. So thank you everyone that's stayed throughout the whole month and left comments every day. There's a handful of people that have left a comment every single day, and you'll never know how much I appreciate that you've done that. And yeah, thanks for all my new subscribers, anyone that hasn't been with me before. And yeah, so I'll see you on the 11th of August with the competition winners. So until the 11th of August, have fun with all your crafting and creating, and I'll say cheers from Australia. Hooroo till then. Bye.